Welcome to the April-May edition of Floors in Africa magazine, your commercial guide to flooring in South Africa. If you haven't received your latest issue as yet, this is what it looks like and is freely downloadable at www.freemagazines.co.za. In this specific issue, we look at a few pertinent topics affecting the flooring industry. First topic we have a look at is the wonderful world of carpets and carpet tiles. Here we take a look at what the latest trends and installation methods are, and there you can very much see what the latest products are on offer in South Africa, specifically to the commercial flooring side of things. We also have a look at below the surface. There we have a look at everything relating to what lies beneath. So everything you need to know in subfloor preparation before the actual final floor finish is installed. After that, we take a look at the world of flooring specifications. Here we look at what is being specified, why it's being specified, and which products are actually deeming to be more fit for purpose than others. Have a look at the issue, download it. It's a wealth of information between two covers. If these are topics that are of interest to you and topics that you actually work with daily in your work life, it's definitely a magazine for you to read. The last but not least topic we look at is we have a look at the Expo Revista that happened in Brazil earlier on in the year. And Revista is all about different designs and formats in the world of tiles. It's stone and ceramic and porcelain tiles. If that is something you'd like to read more about, this latest issue is definitely for you. On the social media side of things, you'll be able to find us on Facebook at Building and Decor, and also on www.buildinganddecor.co.za is our website, our commercial website, where you'll be able to find all these articles and more. And yes, once again, if you'd like to subscribe, it is free of charge, and you can find us at www.freemagazines.co.za.